Want to make learning more exciting and engaging? Introducing the Battleboats game for EduTech, a Google Sheets extension that transforms your lessons into an interactive battleship-style game. It's fun, educational, and perfect for reinforcing strategic thinking and knowledge. Here's how it works. First, students select a coordinate on the 9x9 grid, like in a classic battleship game. A question appears based on the selected coordinate, and the student inputs their answer. A wrong answer results in a miss, and a W appears on the grid. A correct answer reveals if there's a boat or clear waters. The goal? Find and sink all 5 hidden boats by correctly answering questions. Setting up Battleboats is simple. Start with an empty Google spreadsheet. Provide 81 questions in column A and the corresponding 81 answers in column B. Launch the Battleboats game from the Google Sheets extensions menu. Then, click Generate. Just like that, in under a minute, your 81 questions and answers are quickly integrated into the Battleboats game. You can customize the game to fit any subject, whether it's math, history, or science. Installing Battleboats is easy. Just follow the link in the description to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click Install, and follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Once installed, you'll find Battleboats in the Extensions menu of Google Sheets, ready to use. And for a limited time, we're offering a free Battleboats worksheet. It's pre-configured with math questions to help you get started right away. The link is in the description. Just make a copy and start playing with your students today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more free templates and classroom tools. Let's make learning fun with Battleboats.